Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and we finally have Sony's new Master Series flagship 8K LED, the Z9J series. We're gonna open it up here for you, show you what comes in the box, as well as give our first impression of the picture, so stay tuned. So we were able to set up the TV. It does come with 3 different pedestal positions, just like some of the other TVs we've seen from Sony this year. It is just fantastic. I mean, it's everything I was expecting it to be. The black levels are super dark, the colors are super vibrant. It's just a brilliant looking TV. So we're gonna have a full overview. Make sure you stay tuned for that one. It does also come with the backlit remote, which was good to see. But we're gonna have that overview coming up for you guys, so make sure you stay tuned for that. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.